Let's move the border radius up to here. Cover. Oh, I see. Okay, I know what's happening here. So contain puts it inside, so we can see what's happening here. If I get rid of this, this is the funny things with CSS, that if I do a background color of red here, now you'll see that it was a circle all along. It's just that it's putting contain is making it so that the whole image shows up in this box, which if it's a wide image, it's going to have a top and bottom. So there's where that extra, okay, all that because of that. This is CSS, folks.